harvesting some knotweed from our yard. So it looks kind of like bamboo in that it's hollow on the inside, and there are chambers. It's segmented, but it has the stalks have kind of pinkish, purplish, reddish splotches on them. The leaves are alternate, and they have this, I'm not sure what the botanical word is, but they have kind of wrapped by these kind of like staple looking things, and the leaves are kind of arrowhead shaped. So it also, in the late summer, it flowers and is very attractive to pollinators. And I'm just taking off the leaves, which so I guess the shoots that are considered to be the best eating. It's our first time eating it, other than nibbling on it outside. So it is very prolific and spreads mostly by root, and we have quite a bit of it in our yard. So we're excited to try it. So our power is out, so I'm just trying to kick up the fire a little bit so we can get some water steaming. Peekaboo, I see you. So Sherlock checked. Are you a little mouse hiding in there? Out came a raccoon. No mouse here, said the raccoon. Ready. Yeah, I think so. Pour out the water and put in some butter. Ooh. If you like sour.
Hot.
It's hot, but how's it taste?
What do you think?
We taste it, Dada.
It's fucking delicious is what that is.
I want to taste it.
I don't know if I like it as it is.
Use a fork.
But it's interesting.
It's got such a texture.
Yeah. It's hot.
It's hot, but also how you whatever the word, seasoned them, whatever you did with them, also really good too.
Butter, salt.
Yeah. Yeah. I would definitely eat that like with the same dishes that we would have like asparagus with.
All right.
I only like them.
It tastes like, you don't really like them. It tastes like a asparagus, but slightly more green, like vegetable-y, extremely vegetable-y tasting. And
It's lighter in flavor, I would say, too.
a whole lot of lemon on the asparagus, like too much lemon, which I like. Okay. Let's cut some. Cheers.
Trying to find the Japanese. Oh, there it is. It's very good.
Better than feta.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
No. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, please.